I've decided, because I know partly what I'm doing, I'm sitting down and watching like a good school kid. Bonjour, ça va? My next guest is going to appear when I bang this flower 3 times. Hey, you're taller than I expected. Who are you?
I am Sam Way, also known as samseats on TikTok and Instagram, and I'm going to be making some vegan pasta dough with
Alfredo sauce. Genuinely a traditional dish that's not going to annoy any Italians, please. How do you make vegan dough?
So with a vegan dough, we are going to be using flour, as you would expect, some semolina flour, some oil, and some salt. Obviously, we're not having any eggs in this video,
no.
For a reason. But yeah, so basically with the semolina, that will give the dough a nice chew, and then we're going to have some oil for the fat of the eggs, and yeah, it's going to be great.
And this is why you bring in someone who knows how to cook, because like it can explain the process better. Me, I'd just be like, this could be nice. That's what I'd say, and then like you're like proper into, like you explain it.
Semolina.
So tense. I'm like, I'm pouring to my heart's content, but at the same time, I don't want to ruin it.
It's quite satisfying weighing up things. You might not find that. I think sometimes it gets quite like.
I do get a little kick out of it, I must admit.
Amazing. So then 150 of that.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do that.
In it goes.
1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Just sugar, salt.
Sugar? Is it sugar?
Let's go 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. We're gonna have nice sweet pasta dough. No, bit of salt. This little mix. Tip this out onto the surface. So water, we're gonna have 150 grams of water.
Is that 150 mil?
150 mil, 150 grams, 150 mil, it's the same thing.
Temperature?
Temperature doesn't matter.
Ooh.
Okay, so then we're gonna go in 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
Lovely. Olivia?
Any Olivia will do. Make a nice little circle.
Oh, I'm actually looking forward to this.
Perfect, you add it all in.
All in, yeah?
Add it all in. For a normal pasta dough,
yeah.
You're not normal.
How dare you?
Typically it's like per 100 grams of flour you have 1 egg.
Right.
100 grams of flour, 1 egg is 50 grams of like liquid.
Yep.
So we're just taking out the egg, replacing it with some water and some oil. So that should give us a similar feel. Okay, so I'm just gonna gradually bring in the...
Oh, this is really nice to watch, by the way. It's nice, I've not had to do any work with this, but I love it.
Bit of spillage, that's all right.
Spillage is lickage, mate.
There we Do you want to do this, Calum?
I'd love to. Should we do the ghost? Oh, man.
And it will gradually come together. It might feel a bit dry, but then it will.
No, it feels wet, if that makes sense to me.
It will
eventually.
It will eventually come together.
Like the Beatles.
This will take a bit of time.
That's right.
Just getting kneading.
It's all right. Once it's ready, I'll
You can start a little pile there for you.
Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you.
Good thing about vegan dough though is if you make too much, you can
store it.
Store it. You can dry it out and store it, because that's what all shop wall pasta is. It's just eggless dough.
I like learning. So you started this by accident as well, this whole cooking page?
Yeah, so this was all...
Well, not by accident.
No. Do you want the story? A little bit of backstory. So I was wanting to get a job in the hospitality industry during last lockdown, during the Christmas time, and obviously everywhere was closed and it was quite hard to get a job. And I'm not a trained chef, so I was like, right, I want to show people what I can do, what cooking is like.
Yeah.
Tasty things, and so I just started doing it on social media as a bit of fun, as a portfolio to show people, and obviously it kind of took a completely different turn, and now I'm where I am. Nice smooth dough, really. A nice kind of smooth, won't be glossy, but smooth.
Yeah, obviously it's got no egg, but it'll be enough. That's kind of smooth.
Yeah, a little bit more, I think we could. So I'm thinking we're gonna do some fettuccine, so it's, might be able to see that from here.
Yeah.
What would you say that is in?
Centimetres?
Centimetres.
I mean, you're the mathematician, but I'd say about 2 centimetres.
Yeah, I'd say about 2 centimetres.
I want to say as well, like you can use normal shop bought fettuccine. I've decided, because I know partly what I'm doing, I'm sitting down and watching like a good school kid.
It is basically, you see how it's getting even more smooth. Just the more you do it.
Yeah.
It's really satisfying. Yeah, so it's nice and smooth like that. Then we're gonna wrap it in cling film.
We have a plastic bag,
equally as good.
It's 100% degradable, so please people, don't at us.
Pop it in the fridge.
Thank you, man. Right, we're gonna high five and the ball of pasta is gonna appear there, right? So, hey, wow, fettuccine, look at that. We should have a little sexy montage just of us making the pasta, because that's what YouTube's here for, isn't it? Let's go. Right, so the pasta's done. I think we should crack on with the sauce. Let's get saucy. I'm gonna feel like I'm in an exam, but let me go for it. So this is silken tofu. It's got quite a lot of protein in there. Traditionally use Parmesan and Alfredo. I can't do that. So here's some nutritional yeast or Nucci Bucci or whatever you wanna call it. And I'm making it cheesy as hell, and that's about 5 tablespoons here. Miso paste, quite
Can
rich.
I do anything to help you then with this?
Do you wanna smash 3 cloves of lick of the
garlic?
Yeah. Just put a bit of cracked pepper, with a bit of plant milk as well. I'm now gonna blitz it, Sam. Look at me. Look at me. I'm doing it. I'm doing my time. Decent.
That looks very nice indeed.
It does the job. And like you can see, it's like still somewhat like, it's still runny.
Awesome.
You're like, vegan. I've added a bit of vegan butter, which is from these guys. Very nice butter. It does the job. Add in the sauce that I've made to let it reduce down, thicken up a bit. And then when we add the pasta, it will be nice.
Bit of the... missed the pan.
You've missed the pan.
So we're gonna pop this in some boiling water. And then literally we're just gonna cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Probably 3 because it's quite thick pasta, but there we go.
And now we wait. Siri, set timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes and counting.
Perfect.
Look at that.
He's like a proper chef, isn't he? I mean, he is just putting pasta in water and I'm making a big deal out of it, but... Oh, I'm excited. What?
Callum,
I've converted him to the dark side.
You're converting me.
Dun, 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 dun. It's the squelching for me.
It's the ASMR.
It's always the squelching. All right, so we're serving and that's why I brought
Do you have
in...
a ladle?
What?
Do you have a ladle?
A ladle. A
little ladle.
I'm coming in with the pepper. Cracked. Yeah! Oh, that was rude. We're keeping that in.
That was really awkward.
Go on.
That was...
Right, should we tuck in?
Let's tuck in. You go first.
Okay, go in, mate.
Fettuccine tagliatelle pappatelli. Whatever we call it.
You're like that. Good? Do you like it?
Speechless.
Oh, sweet.
Right?
Hey.
Amazing, amazing. Ah! Honestly, you would not tell the difference that there's nooch in it, that there's
He's already using the
silken
expressions
tofu,
I've told him.
there's, what else is there, vegan?
Garlic.
Oat milk.
They've got a oat milk, mate.
Garlic is not necessarily vegan. Well, it is vegan, but
Everyone can use it.
everyone can use it.
Yeah, that's it for the video. Please check out Sam's page, even though you probably already know Sam's page if you know me, because his videos are amazing and he makes really good food. Where can people find you, on what platforms?
You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube at samseats. Let's do some cooking.
You said it.